and gentlemen, presenting Kashish Live 2021 from the comfort of our homes. My name is Rohini, and yes, I have a very beautiful accessory on my face. As you can see, this is a beautiful, beautiful mask that was the remnants of last year's Kashish 2020 when we did this at home, and we went virtual the last time. Hi, Arun, thank you so much for joining me. Hello, 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 hello. Maybe I shall make a big reveal. You know, I miss the Kashish stage so much today. Like, really, today when I was going through the photographs of the last year. Okay, maybe I'll tell you who I am, okay? This is me. Hello, hello, G. Hello. Hi. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Only hair I can't do. Like, makeup I can do and almost look like it's opening night at Kashish, but only hair I can't do because hair I can't do, yaar. What to do now? Anyway, so hi everybody, welcome. And yes, I have to put a quick little announcement right here, so I'm going to do that. I also see Abhish has already joined me, which I'm so happy about. So Abhish, I'm going to bring you on in just a second. Kashish Film Fest for updates of this year's festival. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay. Maybe I'll just put this hi. And then how do I pin this? Okay, I pinned it. I pinned it. Just let your hair down. Let your hair down. Okay, so this is amazing. Today is a really special day because I have the opportunity to speak to some of my favorite people. They've been hosts at Kashish, and how amazing is that, right? So I'm just going to bring one of our favorite hosts on, and that's Abhish Mathew, because he's on time and he's a professional, and so is Aditi Mittal because she's on time and she's a professional. And yeah, so I'm going to get Mishka's going to be here as well. Oh my God, let me just start this party already. Woohoo!
Me? Nice thing about me.
Can't hear.
Oh, now I
Can you
can
hear
hear.
now?
Much nicer. I think
Now you can hear?
it's
Aditi?
not very clear.
Hi, what's up? One second, you're driving somewhere, and are you driving and you're live right now? Are you okay?
You know what? So yeah, I'm actually coming back from a meeting, and
How long? No,
if I
no,
was
no. How
driving and
long
doing
will it
this
take
live,
you to
then
reach back?
it'll take me another
No,
like
how
30
long will it
minutes.
take you to reach back?
Another 30 minutes.
Why don't you get home and then join this party? Yeah, because I'm really scared.
No, listen, I'm in the not driver's seat. Yeah. Unless listen, yeah. Otherwise, I'll wait if you want. I'll wait till I mean, you think I have that much skill or what? I can't even like talk and move my eyes in coordination. You think I'll be able to drive and friggin' talk? इतना credit मत दो रो, इतना credit मत दो.
Aditi, just making sure that we're not endangering your life, because you are an endangered species just by virtue of being Aditi Mittal, okay?
Listen, I have gone extinct and several times now, and I'm about to. But I'm really excited about bringing back my live self for Kashish. Which, by the way, what is the sensational news that you're supposed to drop on us today? I'm really excited about that. What's that about?
Oh my God! The news is that Kashish is going to be virtual, and that's going to happen a little later in the year. It was supposed to happen in May. Second wave of pandemic hit. It was not the time or the mood to actually do anything that calls itself a festival, because that would be just wrong. So we've moved it, of course, to later in August this year. So for all the wonderful people who are following you and today are watching us live because of you, I just want to say thank you for the opportunity, for telling us this, for allowing us this. So number one, I just want to welcome both of you, Abhish as well as Aditi Mittal. Thank you so much. And joining this party is Didi Malishka. Hello.
Oh my God! Hello!
I love it.
There's a
Malishka and I
clear person,
totally
lots of
decided to
Aditi.
dress up. Well done.
Yeah,
I had a mask.
you told me you would, so here I am, feathers and shine.
I had a
Is
mask.
Kashish without Aditi with your 4 eyes? Can you see?
Listen,
I dressed up.
I was so shocked to see both of you are looking stunning that मेरी आंखें चार हो गई यार. अभी मैं क्या करूं?
Dude, I spoke to Rohini like about an hour back and she's like, okay, we gotta get ready. And it completely stressed me out. And I said, but that's what Kashish is about, right? There were always feathers and there was always sequins and a shoulder.
Well done. Well done.
Can
Alright,
I
guys,
can I
welcome
just take a
once again.
moment and
Yes,
say you
yes.
guys look terrific.
Ravishing. Okay. Ravishing.
Today I did not wash my hair because I realized the day that you don't wash your hair looks good. So today is presentable day. Thank you.
Yeah, baby.
Dang. Why
Now
do I
you
not know
learn.
this about curls?
But yeah, I wanna just say that each of you have been hosts at Kashish at different points. Let me first off just say thank you for doing that in that year. So Abhish, I remember I called you, Malishka, of course, the festival turned out and said, could you please reach out and said, could you please be a host? Aditi, I called, 2 years ago. And it was so amazing because मतलब आप लोग इतने बड़े stars हो लेकिन आपने कोई नखरे नहीं दिखाए. आपने कहा yes, we'll do it. Can I also please mention today at this forum that all of you do this for a living and you all get paid a lot of money for it, and you all turned around and said we'll do this absolutely for nothing. So thank you so much on all those counts. I want to first start off by saying thank you.
Thank
Rohini,
you.
I'll be honest.
Jimmy.
I only did it so we could one day do a live like this. Like you keep changing my filters at a
Inception.
point.
I
Oh,
did
my
it because
God.
I got to wear feathers.
Lovely, lovely, absolutely.
I was surprised, and when you had asked, I was like, I would love to, but like, can you tell me more? Like, I don't know anything. One major thing that happened, Rohini, thanks to you inviting, was a new word was added to my dictionary, because before that I used to say ladies and gentlemen, but because I was hosting it and I got to understand ladies, gentlemen, and others. And after that, I've taken that over on any show that I've taken, and it's not because it's like I am doing it, but I'm like, now people are seeing me, and if I don't do it, it would look like whatever you learned because of Kashish Film Festival you've forgotten. So thanks for making my introductions longer.
Fantastic, fantastic. No, thank you. I remember that year when Abhish, actually just rallied. Yeah, he was such a star, and I'm going to tell everybody the stories.
You said twice. Wow, great.
Why is this
Oh,
echo happening?
we're in echo mode now. It's an echo chamber. No.
Echo.
Hello. Is it just us having this party? Okay, others also use the echo.
I don't know, someone has done something because of
Aditi,
echo happening.
your filter might be making
Aditi,
it.
Your TikTok filter is giving us.
Aditi, I have
Aditi,
no filter.
Suddenly, this feels like a political rally because of the reverb.
Bhai aur behno.
Okay, it's gone. It was the filter, I think. All right,
But
great.
Aditi's also gone.
Aditi will come back, and when she comes back, we will talk to her. But I want to take you back, Abhish, to the time when we asked you to come on board. We were so surprised that you showed up for the meeting and the rehearsal, and then Aditi.
Yeah, Hanji, I'm listening.
No. I'm just checking if the echo is back. It's not, so that's a great thing. So I remember Abhi showed up for rehearsal. Abhi showed up for everything. And let me just say, Abhish, and you were already a very established stand-up comedian there, but you did it like so sweetly. So I just want to say that we worked with a lot of people, and this memory of you being so sweet, like I will always cherish. And we don't hang out or meet much often, but every time I think of you, I always think of the time when you were such a sweetheart to the festival. So thanks for that.
Thank you. It was the coffee at bagel shop that had me at like, you paid, I am yours.
No, and I remember. Do you remember your set, Abhish? Do you remember the time when you had to go on? There was a costume. You did the dhoti because you did a mundu.
If you haven't decoded from whatever I'm wearing right now, this is standard Abhish Mathew uniform. So when I think like Rohini, when you were telling that we got to add color, I don't know if you were hesitant, but you're like, this is how we do it, and I'm not kidding. I felt like I can be a supermodel at this point in time because I can do. So you helped with the design. the team came and said that, you should wear something more traditional to you. And I've never worn anything traditional in my life. And on top of that, it had like such a beautiful color pattern that represented me, which is there's color, madness of color, but in limitation. And I was like, this, I now understand the fashion industry as well. So for me, it was, I've never put that kind of an effort in paid shows, okay? Just in like other platform shows also. I'm wearing whatever they're giving. Here, I'm proud of what I'm wearing.
Let me show you what Abhish was wearing.
There it is. The mund, okay? And it's got the rainbow all across. It's got like on the cuffs and on this collar thing also. And at the mund at the bottom, when there is that, sorry if I'm massacring the words, but you understand representatively.
Absolutely, absolutely. No, it was great fun, and it was nice. It was a nice way to actually, introduce the concept. It's sometimes I feel that this is symbolic, but sometimes I feel that you have to embrace to understand, and I think you embrace that. So thank you so much for doing that. We're gonna come back and talk to you about your killer set, but in just a little bit. I'm gonna take this around the room at this point to Malishka. Malishka, 2016, 2017 opening nights you hosted. There were 2 years back to back in a row, and they were so fantastic and so magical. Because now that I'm doing this from home for the last 1 year, I am telling you it sucks.
Yeah, because
I mean,
the whole magic of Kashish and the whole magic of this vibrant festival is there, being there to see people in color, the whole zest of it. I mean, I think you get to be your most creative self when you're there. There's no holds barred. You can come up with whatever. You can sing. You can dance. The community joins. Like one of my voices is somebody from the radio station, because I said we have to cover the Kashish festival. It's happening and we are allies. And I was amazed. Red FM was like, yes, we're going to do this. So the boys, he came alongside and he was telling me, like when I was speaking to him, he said, मैं तो अचंभित रह गया. It's the first time he's ever seen something like. He said, I've never seen anything like. मैं अचंभित रह गया. He was so enamored with the whole thing, and he said, मेरे को लगा कि ये Met Gala तो कुछ भी नहीं है. मतलब Met Gala इसके सामने. I was like, what, bro? It was amazing because it's true. I mean, everyone comes out in their best, and now the best we can do is, shoulder and fur over.
Let me show you. Malishka, I'm going to take you to a throwback of what you were wearing. Oh my God!
Damn.
What a night! Wow, boom, baby! Wow, boom!
Thank you. I have that dress still somewhere. It is there. Bipin Tanna, big shout out to you, because
and I just want to give a big shout out to Bipin, because Bipin, I think one of the best things about being a Kashish host is the opportunity to dress up like अरे यार ये फिल्म फेयर से लेकर आईफा लेकर सारे अवार्ड हम गए हैं. We walked those red carpets, but the way you costume up at Kashish, Malishka, do you remember any favorite outfit that you wore? This one, of course, I remember the boa, which is with you right now.
Oh yeah, the feather boa. I was looking for it frantically. I found one version of it. There was the one Kashish where I got to feel like a complete heroine from the 80s Bollywood movies. Like Tathaiya. They get out of the screen, they come back in, and they're wearing a new costume. So I remember the one where I was in this suit and a top hat and everything, and I came in singing and all of that. Yeah, and I think that was the year I co-hosted with Sushant. And then
there you go.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. And Aditi, I went in singing. Abhish, I went in singing. I just said singing.
Singing?
When the rhythm starts to play, that happened. And then I think Sushant took on for a while, and then I got to go and change and get into this Baba Room outfit, which of course Bipin had organized. It was just Bollywood heroine moment. Where else, Rohini, have you hosted an event where you got to go and change your kapras twice at a live event? You guys
look. So she changed from that into this. I remember. Look at that, dude.
Oh my God!
Like what a moment. That is of course Sonam Kapoor.
How long was the change break? Like, how long did it take? Because I'm sure people are like, Malishka change, let's give 2.5 hours. Like, how were you wearing one inside the other that you're like, tada, I'm ready?
Like Velcro. No. They actually gave me a good amount of time to change, because Kashish has a long list of things that needs to be done. And everyone chills and everyone takes their own time. But I do think that, yes, I rushed it a little bit, but Sundari vapas aayi.
I swear, man. I just want to say a big shout out to Ankit, who did the hair and makeup for all of us.
Yeah.
when we were doing it. And man, what a genius today. I was missing the whole vibe of Kashish, like being in the vanity van. And for that, I'll always thank Sridhar. Sridhar, मतलब budget हो ना हो, host के लिए vanity van तो चाहिए ही. Like these are things he didn't compromise
Yeah.
on. And I was like, भाई तेरे को 25,000 रुपए मिलेंगे तो तू vanity van जरूर देगा हमें. Thank you. It was really really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna take this to Aditi at this point. Aditi Mittal,
The
2019.
alien gig. Yeah.
2019. I mean, I was so looking forward to doing this with you, but I just think what happened at the end of it was a little unimaginable. Like, हमने क्या क्या कर डाला. So why don't you take us through the beats of, you know, saying yes and then realizing what this is.
So, okay, honestly, रोहिणी मेरे को फोन करेगी कि चल जहन्नुम में जाते हैं तो मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी, right? मेरे को ज्यादा convincing की जरूरत नहीं है when it comes to रोहिणी. The thing is, I have known Rohini doing her, like being an ally of the LGBTQIA community since 2010. When
Yeah.
she used to host, when she used to host like, you know, open mics and stuff, like queer open mics and queer, you know, performance art events and stuff like that. And I think, you know, I mean, Ro, I guess it's you really. It's you really. And the fact is that people, I realized that जिसका कोई नहीं है ना, उसकी रोहिणी है.
Oh my God.
I've always, it's like I've never felt like I belonged anywhere. And Rohini collects those kind of people. And so it was just, when she was like, hey, why don't you do this? I was like, are you shitting me? It would be an honor. And also, I had heard about like, कि, you know, ये रोहिणी पागल हो जाती है hosts and all के साथ. And then she comes and she's like, okay, so the theme is aliens and all, okay. So then, and that's Kashish.
No. One second. The theme is not, one second. The theme was never aliens. The theme was in 2019. I'm also tearing up a little bit because, no, you're damn funny and I'm tearing up. But I remember the theme was Beyond the Rainbow.
Beyond the Rainbow, correct.
One second. So then I told Aditi this theme. And after that, Aditi and I have written a script. Where at some point, where we went to Bandra, we were sitting in that place where you go to in Bandra. Adagio. Yeah,
And
so we
over
were
there,
sitting.
and then this one is like, you know, and I said, and she, I mean, she's like, what is beyond the rainbow? What is beyond the rainbow? So hum wahan pe somewhere over the rainbow, we're sitting and singing. We're sitting and singing there in fucking Adagio. People are like, what is wrong with these two ladies? Finally, we decided on the fact that, you know, we were like, whenever people say, and it's a misuse, right? People are like, oh, that's so gay, you know, whenever they're describing something, and it's so annoying when people do that, right? Because they don't fucking understand, you know, the level of stigma that promotes, or, you know, the level of ignorance that promotes or it displays. So then we were like, why don't we do something called Why So Straight? Like,
Yes.
if someone asks you, and why are you being so gay, just ask them, why are you being so straight? And we wrote a rap song called Why So
Please
Straight.
sing it to us,
Okay?
please.
Do you have the lyrics with you, Ro? Because I remember it was like, why you constantly checking the cricket match score? Why so straight?
My sister, yeah.
Oh.
No, I'm a little caught unawares about this right now. I wish I can find it in my email.
I have
I'm
a-
gonna look for it.
Rohini, you
I have
sang.
a-
That's the important part.
I have a
Wait.
question.
Oh, yes. Abhish,
I have a question.
we'll come to Malishka, but yes, Abhish.
Oh. Just a question, Aditi. When they said above the rainbow, how many light years away did
One
you
second,
go?
I'll show you. I'll show you how much above.
What? Like, how about? You've gone to a different galaxy.
This is the leader. This is like some uprising happening in a Soviet country. This is the leader, and we are the two sentinels. Can you look at this?
Great.
Great.
Dude,
ये हमारा बेसिकली हमारा लीडर है और हम दोनों इसके सेंटिनल्स हैं और हम तो पहुंच गए भैया. हमने कहा हम करेंगे. But I'm going to look for that. But in the meantime, Aditi, while we've already shown them that how or why did we dress as aliens, that story is finally out. Malishka is going to tell us the best story. Where Malishka, where the reason why Malishka is telling you, I can't believe you got Rohini to sing, is because Malishka has the best story of Rohini singing. Go
Oh
for
my
it.
God, please tell us this.
So this was when we were working at the radio station together, and we had to co-host something. Okay, so we wrote this song, and Rohini's sitting there, and she's like a full trooper, and she's like, yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm like, and I'm like, Rohini, I got it. We're going to sing on stage. And my first, मेरा पहला झुकाव artistry में वही जाता है कि आपको skate, singing, dancing, because you know and this is not the same stage. Okay, this is a room full of corporate people and all. So I've written this song. We both like gone through it and all. I was like, okay. चलो अभी रिकॉर्ड करते हैं and this Rohini has not said anything till the time that we get on the mic. So I'm like चलो Rohini. He's like ये सब तो ठीक है मलिश्का पर मैं गा नहीं सकती. This she tells me, she drops the bomb on me.
That's
I don't
damn
sing.
funny.
And I'm like, but we spent 6 days or maybe 2 days, I don't know what, or maybe a couple of hours, but what if we spent so much? She didn't. But what a trooper, she didn't want to like put the spoke in the middle. She's like, अच्छा लेकिन
I was like, बाद में ये सब देखेंगे गाना वाना technicality बाद में enthusiasm ज्यादा है.
हाँ. So I
Abhi-
don't know what we did eventually. I think I sang most of it and then we lip synced, or did you manage to sing?
lip sync.
So you
I-
lip synced.
Abhi-
Okay.
I
So
think
that's
the
why I'm
moment
asking,
has
what did you
come.
sing? Yeah, when
I think
y'all
the
should
moment has come for Rohini to showcase
wrap it out.
the thing that was sung.
Yes.
What do you think?
It is. I'm not discriminating.
Oh!
Okay.
Alright, guys, for you right here, Kashish Film Festival.
So
we are
we're
reliving it.
give
Go.
us a beat. When you're doing it missionary with all the lights off, why so
Hey,
sis?
let us give you
Why
the
so
beat.
straight?
Abish.
Why so straight?
Having sex so vanilla so you can reapply your lip gloss. Why so sis?
Why so straight?
Asking about chomos all the time. Hey, what's the score? Why so
Why so
sis?
sis?
World Cup IPL mat karo ball. Why so
Why so
sis?
sis?
Uh,
Why so straight?
Your favorite color is beige and your favorite actor Salman. Why so
Why
sis?
so sis?
When you're straighter than a bot, why am I showing you the script? I should show you my face.
Yeah, I know. We can read it anyway. So good try.
So you see our lips going jikka jikka chow also, huh?
You're straighter than a Bollywood actor on his way to Cannes. Why so
Why
sis?
so straight?
Except Ranveer यार, वो तो नारी है, नारियों का नारी है. So that's why he will show up in a sari है. Why so sis? The future's fluid, bro. So anyway, right now, obviously, again, I'm singing.
Yes.
So it's wrong.
Brothers to you,
It's wrong.
brother. To the both
But
of you.
but Aditi wrote this like it took us a little while to write it, but she wrote it and she was just like she also
Nice.
was saddled with a non-singing Rohini Ramanathan, guys. Remember this.
No.
And both of you.
But Rohini,
I lucked out.
At
Why
the end
this
of the
honor?
day, at the end of the day, like I think we were like the crowd was so wild that
Yeah.
we really didn't have to do much. Like I mean, we both of us couldn't sing. I think मेरे तब तक आवाज फट चुकी थी because I'd been yelling and screaming at the nominees and the movies and all that stuff. So it didn't matter. Like we were just
They're very
people
supportive
screaming in
of
the
you.
background.
I
Oh
must
yeah,
say.
dude.
Very,
And
very.
you know, I have to say this, like as a performer, there is one of the main reasons why we do this is to get that, like to feel that energy back in a room, you know, from what you're giving out. And I have to admit that there is no other room since then or before that I had ever experienced that kind of like just, you know, like the sound just fucking lifting the chairs off the floor. I've never experienced it in my life since or before that.
Oh, you know, I have to take this around the room. Abhish, you're someone who has done crowds that are massive. You've been on stages that have been all over the world. What do you think defines, as Aditi just said, you know, that stage at Liberty from any other stage? What do you think you were left with?
Aditi and I are pretty much on the same because we have performed those stages and we performed internationally where
Yeah.
every time you are doing like anything for Kashish, right? For me it was my first introduction into it, right? Because of you, Rohini. And then it was almost like I was in my bubble and then suddenly I was like, there is a huge audience in that place, supportive. And I had like Sridhar as a mentor and you as a mentor to be like, these are the words to use. You're coming in new. Instead of what it made me realize was, is means instead of yelling out, I'm an ally, you were like, oh, you are an ally, you just don't know it. Come on in. And then I was like, oh, now it's a responsibility I need to take further, which is what Aditi was saying. Performing on a stage, size didn't matter because at that time, that energy was so supportive that if I fell down, everybody would run in, put me, reanimate me, and continue the show. Like there was that much
It's
support.
true.
Like
It's true.
the host is dead, but we will continue with it. It was great. So that support is the reason somebody who only wears black t-shirt was able to wear something vibrant and feel comfortable in it. So in the
Thank you.
sense to do something like that, with doing such like work with the hair, the makeup, I'm slightly hesitant to it, but I wasn't at that time. Everything was comfortable and vanity van. You had me at vanity van.
Lovely, Sridhar. I'm going to take this back because there's a lot of requests coming in for this particular moment. This is a very fun moment because this is Arjun Kapoor in the middle. And I remember this is Arjun Kapoor in the middle and Malishka and Sushant Divgekar, who were hosts that year. They were very upset. They were fighting over flirting with Arjun Kapoor. Malishka, talk to me about your favorite guest interactions on the Kashish stage.
I think I want to say I want to at least bring in Sir Ian McKellen because I mean he was on. Can you believe he was on stage next to me? And I have to tell you a thing that happened. Okay, I was so excited. I was on like Kashish is the bomb. It chadaos you in such a way. Now you're like whoa, everything goes. So like we're talking and he's standing next to me and I'm revving up the crowd and ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai. And after a point, I'm wondering why he isn't talking. And I have put my arm through his arm and I'm flirting with him. Full khulla. This is Magneto. We're talking. I mean, I was chipkowed anyway. Nice. Sorry, but he was just, and then that's when you realize people are so different, right? In different spaces. Also, he's a mega star. And I'm like, kuch bolenge nahi. So I think he very quietly. If you'll give me a chance to speak. He was very nice about it, okay? He enjoyed me holding his arm shut up. Damn funny. This is what happens when you give a mic person the mic. But apart from that, I mean, that was, I had to tell that story because I don't know whether everyone in the audience heard it. He was like, mera bhi number aayega. Tum log hi bologe kya? And of course, apart from that, Arjun Kapoor, he's amazing on stage, just to talk to about things, and he plays the game. I think I don't know, frankly, who he chose between Sushant and me, but I remember he came up and spoke very well. Yeah, I don't, because if you put Sushi on this live right now, he'll definitely say it was him. I have no. Sridhar is here, so he should tell us who won that debate. But apart from that, the third person I will tell you was Swara Bhaskar. She got on stage and she came in a little late. I think she was impromptu on stage. Rohini, the way she spoke, like that's why she is who she is. She was articulate, beautiful. She said the right things. She was an ally. It was just wonderful to see people, especially from the industry. And I hope we get down to that because, especially from the industry, because at so many levels, the movies have given us such a crazy impression about the LGBTQ community at any given point. The other day, I was speaking to someone else as well. I hope we can touch upon that. So I was very impressed, like when people from the Bollywood fraternity came up and spoke so eloquently. It was amazing.
Thank you for that. And truly, absolutely, I think first of all, it's always hard. Let me tell you honestly, to get a Bollywood person to come to Kashish in the beginning. It used to be hard because not everybody was, willing to lend the support. But I think over the years, what happened is the festival has, just मतलब कहते हैं ना डटे रहा. ये festival is like, hey, you know what? I don't care. We're still gonna do this festival. Then what started happening is I think Sonam Kapoor really gave us a lot of visibility, and I really want to thank her. I know that she emboldened a lot of people to come out and be part of Kashish. 2 years ago, when Aditi and I were there on the stage, we really want to thank Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who turned up because he'd just come fresh off Sacred Games. And Cuckoo was on stage, that's Kubra Seth was on stage. And that really, that was amazing. That moment where at the Kashish stage, you had Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Cuckoo. Oh my God, like people who know Sacred Game were just like, this is happening in front of our eyes. This is madness. So that was great. And these are great opportunities that I think the stage has provided. Aditi, I want to ask you, take us back to the time when you realized the sort of like the sort of audience that exists at Kashish and what it might have given you as apart from audiences from around the world? Because as Abish said, you've been to festivals all over the world. What defines this stage?
So I'll be honest. I mean, I do this for a living, so I can't shut the fuck up on a general basis. And by the way, someone who said to me, "Aditi, looking very handsome." Thanks, buddy. I'll send a dick pic to you after this live gets over. But also,
You deserve
you know,
that, whoever said it.
you know, it is like truly. I think it was the fact that there is there was no you know what shit I'm putting this really badly when you're with an audience, right? It's a give and take, right? You give them something and then they take from you, etc., right? And then it's a back and forth. With comedy audiences, it's always that. They're like, हमने ticket खरीदा है, तू हंसा के जा, ये ले, तू बजा रहे हैं, तू अगर जोक नहीं मारेगी तो मैं इंटरनेट पे जाके गालियां मारूंगा या तो अपना फिल्टर चेंज करती रहूंगी क्योंकि इतना बोरिंग बोल रही है. But
I want to learn how to do this.
with Kashish, dude, they were already on your side. They
Yeah.
were already on your freaking side. And you know what? There is nothing more empowering. In fact, I'll be honest. Kashish was the first time I felt like shutting up. When I was up there, I was just like, I want to hear the sound of the audience. I wanted to watch, and Rohini, I'm sorry, I keep coming back to you, but I wanted to watch you in action. Like, it was such an honor to watch you just be yourself and, you know, be your loving, supporting self. Like, from that close, I was like, yes, that is the difference, dude. Like, Kashish mein to, matlab, like, if you fall apart piece by piece also, if I was like, having a mental breakdown on the Kashish stage, I would have come out feeling better. If I was having a mental breakdown on a stand-up comedy stage, I would be giving refunds for the tickets.
Yeah. I'm feeling
You handsome person, give us our money back, you handsome one.
But I have just because I'm a very old person. I've just discovered these filters on lives.
Aditi, thank you.
Yeah,
This
Aditi,
is
thank you.
learning. I was like, where are these filters? Okay.
This is
You
the
know,
Pride filter, and it's
Oh, yeah, I know the
perfect.
Pride filter. Wait, where's the
The
Pride
Pride
filter?
filter is great.
Look at this.
This is a
That's your
filter called
filter,
passport photo.
Abhi.
It's my filter. It's a human filter
Nice.
called passport size filter.
Nice.
Okay,
This is
there's
my
someone who
visual
says,
deception.
Oh,
you
that's a
guys are
lovely
high on
comment,
energy.
yeah.
Please come online often. I'm out of depression already. How sweet. Thank you.
Podcast coming up.
This is so great. That's a wonderful surprise. Just taking a lot of comments. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.
You know, guys,
but Abhi-
just wanted to, there's a lot of people who also said comment in the comments, कि ये तीन लोग कौन हैं? So, guys, I just wanted to clarify for you. This is the Kashish Film Festival handle. I am Arjun Kapoor. Below me is the girl with the hair, this thing. She is Ian McKellen, and the guy with the curly hair on the side, he's a hairstylist from Dubai.
in case you were wondering. And we're going to talk
And the
about
girl in the
fashion.
rainbow frame.
And you're talking about fashion influencer tips. Like Abhish has just revealed a look right now. Abhish,
It's my
can you
new
tell us
look.
a little bit more about the look? This is fantastic.
It's called narcissism. That's what my look is.
Nice.
I am the apple of my own eye,
Nice.
and the timelines of it. Thank you.
Abhish, I will never forget your set. The set that you destroyed. Like people went nuts laughing. Do you remember anything from that set? Is it too much of an ask?
No, I'm just trying to remember. So I know how I broke it down. So as a host, for a lot of people who don't know, this basically there is the opening, which needs to be entertaining, make sure everybody is like up and about, and then you start with the events of the day, which is when you can go change. You have to announce. It's a lot of. It's just not going on stage and doing some fun like Aditi, Malashka. We've all done that where we have to make sure that we are making the announcement as we go. So there are two pieces: one is the opening, and then there is one piece, and then there is closing. So my concern was that I don't know what to do as a piece. So what I did was, I think a conversation that we had about, I think I wrote, which was in other news, writing a setup and punchline, I wrote something down and I realized nothing was needed because I over prepared and none of those jokes I had to use because I just went on stage. It was literally like people were holding me up emotionally. saying that now you do whatever you want. And I'm like, I have no jokes. It feels good. So it was, I don't remember the movie, but I remember I did one of my favorite bits also, the slow motion stuff that I enjoy doing that a lot. And here's a secret. That's the oldest. Aditi has seen this in Delhi when we met. This is the oldest showstopper joke that I have,
Yeah.
which I keep using because it requires no brain. It's just simple to watch. And I only do that either when the show is going too badly, or if it's
Too
going
well.
too well.
Too well.
If it's going too well, then I want you to remember, it's a little selfish also. No? Okay, I've killed it. I want to kill more.
What?
And this was there where I'm like already appreciated. I said, take this also. Now remember me, okay? And then you got Aditi and then you got Malishka. So clearly that slow motion didn't work, is what I have figured out in years.
Oh, no. Come on. That was amazing.
We
That was
love.
amazing.
We
We
love.
love you. Look at the number of people who are like, Abish! Some people have thrown like emojis of like Chaddi's bras also.
Yeah.
Anda and banana.
Okay, this is Chaudhary Krutika who says, first of all, she's used all caps, so I'm going to just read it like she said it. Do you all meditate for this level energy, or what do you go to be charged up throughout the day? Malishka, question for you. What do you do? Do you have any ways to like take care of yourself, your energy? Let's ask you the most boring question to radio jockeys. Come on.
Oh, arey yaar, and I'm not even like, I look out at the trees. I really believe greens are everything. No, Aditi, you also know this. Or sometimes I look at Aditi's videos. The other day, she was outside her compound. What was that doggy walk you would do? I was like, you have to watch her videos. She's going nuts with that dog and this beautiful Sharir Kasrat scene of her.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I just want to say, like, what's up?
Balls.
Fantastic.
Stop it, you guys.
But apart
You know,
from that, sorry.
so you were saying.
I was just going to say, meeting all these amazing people. It's just so much energy because all of us are talking. We are those people when we come together. I really think that's what it is. No,
Yeah.
you were just driving away in your car, no, Aditi, and you were looking at your hair, na, Abish. मतलब energy तो यहाँ मिली ना.
Yeah.
It's
It's a
true.
fact. It's a fact. It's a fact.
No, not just that. I also think that, what's crazy is how, like, we can't meet physically, like, all of us.
Yes.
Like, there would be parties. We'd be in a space. I think the idea that we haven't met in so long, I mean, Malishka and I are meeting now, but after like so many months, because we had to stay in our own homes, and that sucks a bit. So today, I think, is the reason why there's so much energy, is because it's like going to a party. It's like going to a party जहाँ पर मेरे दोस्त हैं, मतलब एक रूम में अभीश मैथ्यू है, दूसरे रूम में अदिति मित्तल है, यहाँ पर मलिश्का है. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Dress up किया थोड़ा सा.
Dress
इन
up,
दोनों में
यार.
नहीं, क्योंकि ये तो naturally beautiful है.
The thing is, if it were doing it live, this could have been like a panel that we would have done on stage, right? The only advantage here we have is that we have filters to play with. So why am I the only one without a filter? Excuse me. No
Go for-
disrespect. I also want
Go.
filter.
Go for. Look
But
how
it's not.
oh.
It's
Nice.
very boring.
Nice.
How about
Okay.
this?
Oh!
This is not
Okay.
your kind of party.
I just want to
It's
say
not
that
kind of
Abro,
party जहाँ चार दिखेंगे.
Abro is here, and yeah, because I think most of us, because we come and do one night or two nights, we're not always around to see the other person's brilliance. I, of course, have been witness to all of your brilliance, but Abro reminded me that I told the sound guy,
Let me read it because it's about you. So Abro says, my favorite bit is Rohini briefing the sound guy before going on stage. What is this, Rohini? What were you doing? What is the briefing to the why? What?
So भाई मेरी इज्जत तेरे हाथ में है. Switch off my mic every time as soon as I get off stage, because what would typically happen is I would get off stage and then Sridhar would come running to me and then we'd be talking and do you remember, because our mics were on us, okay, and then I'd be like, then inevitably
Say
something has gone awry, and then he'll be like, and I'll be like, oh fuck. And then the whole Liberty Cinema would hear me. And the sad part is, only मेरा माइक है ना, तो श्रीधर क्या बोल रहा है किसी को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, या पर्ल क्या बोल रहा है किसी को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. So I am the expletive laden like woman here, and I'm like, oh fuck, no, when did we do this? So then I remember this. I also remember a time when see, what is Kashish without its technical goof ups, guys. I love Kashish because you know, we're all trying to put this festival together every year. Let me be very honest. We've had some
Lovely.
really generous, amazing sponsors who are also doing this because they believe in it. You know, they know that this is a dedicated audience they'll get. So from VIP to Skybags to, like, you know, all the sponsors from Godrej, everybody's there with us. But at the same time, there's a bunch of people who are there, you know, who are trying to make do with whatever we have. And sometimes, of course, there are technical glitches or like screw ups. And I remember once there was a technical screw up where the sound kept going. Okay, so every time there'd be a video, there'd be sound off. So then finally we got damn bored of this because people would be like, "Hello everybody, hello India, myself Prerna, I'm from Denmark." And then we're all obviously in respect, so we're very silent. So at one point, I think I just started lip syncing and I started giving an audio to that. And I think that was my favorite bit ever. I don't know what he was saying, the filmmaker, but I obviously made up for it. And people didn't like
Yeah,
care.
I
People were
remember
having
this.
so much fun. But that was
This was fabulous.
my favorite. And also, I think there was a time when I think I threw a bra cup into the audience, like from my dress. And I threw it into the audience. And
Because you
let me
can
just say,
only at
these are
Kashish.
things
I
you
love
can't
it.
pull off on any other stage in the world. Like, you know,
Hey,
so
Kashish! Yay!
yeah. So
Listen,
now because we have all of you here, and I know a lot of your fans are here, we promised all your fans to give you Q&A time. So guys, for the next 10 minutes, you can ask
for the
questions
next
to Abhish
Abhish.
Matthew, to Malishka, and to Aditi Mittal. So please do write in your questions. It'll be great. We'll take answers, question and answers. There are also क्या दीदी वीडियो कॉल ही कर लेते आपस में नहीं हम फेमस हैं.
It feels like you're back on the Kashish stage. Yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
where is Sunny Bhai? People are asking to see Sunny Bhai though.
Listen, I
Hey,
haven't
where's
Are
reached
you
Sunny
home
still in
Bhai?
your
yet.
car? Oh,
Yeah,
he's
I'm
in
still in
home.
my car. I haven't reached home yet. Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's not
Oh,
him.
nice. Sridhar Rangayan has a question. Abhish, you want to start?
Yes. How
What
do I
does
see the
pride?
question?
Oh, should
What
we?
does pride mean to each of you? How nice.
Starting with me?
Yeah, sure. If you're ready.
Oh, sure. I mean, the word pride, I personally feel, is that double-edged sword. One is a sense that is self-obsessed and arrogant, where this is my pride. The other one is where you belong to a community and you're like, that is what my pride is. And I think as a society, we need to remember where we came from and where we want to go to bring the society up to where we are so that they can take forward. So I think that's what pride is, like a self-pride to take ahead and community pride to belong to. I think that's what I would put it as. Thanks.
How beautiful.
Also, very
Thank you for
weird
that.
filter.
No, I like this filter. I'll tell you my sort of pride. Like it's changed over the years, but I remember the first ever Pride March that I went to. I think was it in? It was in Spain, and yeah, and at that time, Pride March didn't happen it didn't happen at this scale in Mumbai at least. And I remember the first time I saw people dressed like they wanted to dress, and that was so liberating. Like wow, like you could wear anything and you could walk on the streets and you could be proud. And it wasn't so much about whether you are what your sexuality was, but I just looked at it as a time to express yourself. And मैं तो गुम हो गई यार. I said wow, this is great. I wish I could do this in Bombay. And I remember coming back, and I think in the next year there was Pride March in Mumbai that I found out about. It might have been there
Yeah.
before me as well. And I was like, I said, we have to go. And then we did small things, like we wore small things. But I remember that made me understand that by standing there, standing with this, I was actually standing for something much bigger. So let me be honest, it was a very selfish motive that I wanted to do this for myself. But while doing that, I think other people started looking at it saying, यार मतलब आप हमारे साथ खड़े हो गए. And that to me was just so beautiful. And I said, wow, just by standing here, if you feel great, I want to do this for the rest of my life. I will always stand with you. So that's my little pride story. I'm going to take this to Malishka.
Pride has meant so many different things to me, Rohini. It has meant, like, I saw it for the first time in Mrika, and it was a mad, like, what I mean is the display of it on the streets, a Pride March. Um, it has meant, for me to first time see the expression of love in at Castro in San Francisco, and this was quite some time back, and I saw two lovers, two men just come and hug and kiss, and it was the first time that I'd ever seen it, like, real life, and I was like, wow, this is okay, this is good. I mean, why are we fussing about this? Over the years, of course, it has meant being an ally, in whichever way I can. So for me, I think, we're learning constantly. Even today, as Pride Month happens, we're interviewing people, we're speaking to them. Sometimes I feel like we're walking on eggshells around things because we've been told, hey, you can't talk like this. Hey, you can't ask this. Oh, hey, be careful. Someone might be offended. And yet at the same time, I've felt that the community they wanted to reach out right back. Like, we need to kind of understand each other. So I've never found anyone saying, chalna ye sawal mat pooch, sabko malum hai, jaake apna internet research kar, which I think is the most fabulous thing. Like I told you, right? One of my voices had gone for the first time. You know what he told me? He said, they're so warm and they're so wonderful when I went to Kashish. So I asked him, why does that surprise you? So he thought about it and he told me, he said, because in the movies, whenever you see someone who is, they'll caricature a gay person, and it's always been, oh, they're so hoity-toity, or they won't talk. He literally said, seedhe muh baat nahi karte. This is what, so all these, for me, it's also like, in whichever way, to be able to end the stigma around it, whichever chota ways it is, to bring their voice out to the people, because that's what we do. And in whichever way I can serve that, for me, that's a matter of pride also. And I think that would be my best definition of what we do this month, at least.
How beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for using your voice and your platform to do that. And there are still people who will not understand it. But the more we do it, the more you normalize it. And I think that has been the attempt by Kashish, right? To have people like yourself. Like I know Abish, Aditi, all of you all have these crazy followings. And if you come and spend one day at the Kashish Film Festival, the fact that your followers know that you are standing by the festival, I think that's what this is about. So thank you for that. I want to take this to Aditi at this point. Aditi, what does pride mean to you?
I'm dying to answer this question because I think that pride is the opposite of shame. And it is everything that keeps us ashamed all year round. Everything, whether it's related to our identity, whether it's related to gender, whether it's related to the type of body you have, whether it's your social or economic class, there is shame and there is a persistence of shame in our everyday existence. And Pride Month is the opposite of that. And that's why I don't identify, unfortunately, why so cis? But, I identify with the emotion of standing up for and feeling pride in the things that normally society wants you to feel shame in. And you know what? I mean, honestly, it's like pride is humanity's way of digging in its heels and saying, I exist and I am valid and I matter. And you better sit up and take notice because this is my time. And I think that's what pride is about.
Wow. Can we give a big round of applause for that answer?
Damn.
Best answer. Thank you, Aditi. That was amazing. Like, I'm genuinely saying this is the best answer. Like, even though this is not
Suddenly
a
my
contest,
understanding, my horizons have just expanded like.
That's what Kashish does, no?
Here I was
Rohini,
thinking
we had prizes
independence
right
and
now.
society. This is great. Yeah, this is amazing.
this is like, हम लोग स्कूल में थे और elocution होता था और फिर एक जन जीतता. जीत गए
यार, ये जीत गए यार. मलिष्का, ये जीत गए यार.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है गाइस. मेरे को हैम्पर चाहिए.
अगर होना चाहिए था यार. Sridhar.
Yeah. Now Sridhar Rangayan has asked this question, so he made this a contest. And now he has to send one hamper.
All
of
us preferably, but yeah.
But I just want to quickly plug that if you're here because you follow the wonderful Abish or Malishka or Aditi Mittal, thank you so much for popping in. This is actually a way in which they continue to support the Kashish Film Festival. This year, of course, like last year, the film festival is going to be virtual. It happens on the 19th of August until the 5th of September. And you can, of course, it's 3 weekends. So you can just log on. Okay, all you've got to do is follow this handle. It's pinned on this live as well. Just follow Kashish Film Fest for updates of the festival, please. And please do, be part of it, because you get to see the most amazing films from all over the world in the comfort of your homes. And all of the films are queer themed, or they're made by queer people. And trust me, that is also, it's in itself such a great journey, because I remember at one point Sridhar used to say, I'm tired of people who are only making films about coming out, because see, imagine that also has a journey. Like, that filmmaking language also has this sort of like time lapse, right? Now, like, the films that are being made about communities, oh my god, like, about intersectionality, about different levels of problems, because the problem is not only coming out. Now you come out, okay, at least most people, okay, might have a little bit of strength compared to 10 years ago to at least cross that step. So I think that please watch these films. They're amazing. And it's the easiest way to know about the community. I think that's what the film festival is about. So if, for example, you turn around and say, I don't know much about Pride, I don't know much about the community, यार पिक्चर देख लो, कौन तुम्हें बोल रहा है कुछ पढ़ने के लिए, आके फिल्में देख लो. 200 से ज्यादा फिल्में हैं, मतलब what a great. Also, I think we have about 6 minutes to go. So before we go,
Ro, can I tell one story? Can I tell one story about Pride?
Yes.
So, one of my very close friends, she's from a very conservative background, and we went to school together. And she was getting married and everything, and then we were at her wedding, and she called me to the side. Okay, she's like, Aditi, you did that gay festival last year. So I was like, I was like, if you know me, every festival is gay. Like, honestly, because it's fun and happy, right? So then she's like, no, you did that. Then she said you wore matching clothes with Rohini, it's such a straight thing to notice, right? So she's like, you wore matching clothes with Rohini. So I said, yeah. She's like, I think my sister wants to come to your festival. So I was like, okay. So then I said, tell her, like, is she a filmmaking student? She can definitely come and all. She's like, I don't think she's a filmmaking student. I think she just likes the stories. And I said, oh, okay. And then turns out that her sister saw my stories from Kashish, and she saw that it was a queer festival, and she used that as a point for
Vehicle.
her sister, to like come out. And it was the craziest. And after that, actually, for 2 years after that, for the year after that, I think the Pride March, I was like, chal, hum jate hain saath mein. And she came along, and she's more comfortable in her skin than I have seen her, because we grew up together. She's more comfortable in her skin than I have seen her, like, in almost decades, which is crazy. And so that's really thank you to Kashish and to Pride.
Fantastic. Thank you. That's so beautiful. So many stories. There are so many stories. So thanks, guys. I also want to talk about the process of choosing a host. I should have started with this, but I kept it for the end. Simply because I wanted you all to talk about your experiences, how it might have been, kind of out of your skin at some point, because we're always trying to ask, what's the right thing to say? Can I say this? Can I say that? And there's the effort, mehnat that goes in. But I think every year, Sridhar and I and the entire team will sit down and be like, who can we ask? Okay. And famous तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं, मतलब followers तो कितने सारे लोगों के, लेकिन leader बहुत कम लोग होते हैं. Thank you. This is about you. So.
She's probably talking about the others. Okay, got it.
No. Because what's also important in a host at Kashish is that, of course, they have to be liked by people. Of course, they have to appeal to the community. All of these things. But more importantly, they're also people who are genuinely sensitive, sensitive. And I think that so many people, okay, in our list just get struck off, because we might think that will they actually rally? Because it's not easy to do this hosting thing. It means you have to give 2 days of your time, maybe more. You have to write a script, there is a vanity van, but you have to be there, and there's a lot of the hosts go beyond what they would even
Yeah.
regularly do for big gigs. So you need someone who is wanting this to happen. And I think that's the reason why today is so special, is because y'all are those people who want things to happen. So I want to thank each and every one of you for being at Kashish, for giving us those days, that time. And also I think I want to say that the Kashish stage is very special because it's very simple to say, why not get only queer people to host this show? And we're very aware that we're all very, very straight, and that is in some way our sort of disadvantage, right? But at the same time, the fact that Kashish insists on having, like, honestly, world class performances, okay, that's the reason why we even
The
get
high heel
considered. So
hotties.
thank you. Yeah, the high heel hotties, Sushant, everybody who's been there, Sona Mohapatra, everybody. I
Yeah.
think that is so important. And in this aspect, it's always about who would be a good host, and we've been given that privilege. They've allowed us to do this, and I just want to say that that's something that I want to thank the festival for on behalf of all of us. So if you would like to add to this, I would love to take this around the room. So Abish, we'll start with you again.
Like I said in the beginning, is we are very straight, right? So the very fact that I understand that if you want to put a voice out on stage, you want someone who understands the struggle. So at a creative level, to even get allies to come in, because the fact that you absorbed me into an ally, and then I was introduced to this entire world, which after some time you can't ignore. Like when we did in Son of a Beach, we did out of syllabus, which is an animated thing. After Kashish Film Festival is when we did what do you call gender identity as an animated video. That wouldn't have happened if Kashish didn't happen. So it's just like a nice butterfly effect, which by the way, we put Kashish, we reapplied there as well. So it's like a full circle,
Yeah,
right from
comes
making me an
back.
ally to me applying to the festival itself. So for me, it's just this warm audience and the warm organizers and creators. It just is too, it'll be too, I mean, who wouldn't want to jump in and who wouldn't want to learn more and then be like, hey, cool, I understand, but not overtake. So that's why that giving us that stage itself, my first question was why? Like such great talent within the community, but you're still reaching out. It basically is more like, yeah, this person is a person we want to work with, which is what you're saying now. So I'm like, I feel great. If I knew that I'll be appreciated on Instagram Live, I would have done it 5 times in 1 year.
Inshallah, we hope to get back very soon and give you a stage that is worthy of you, honestly. So thank you so much for that, Malishka.
Uh, so we have only 2 minutes, so I'm gonna make this really quick.
Oh shit,
And
sorry.
for me, no. I want Aditi to speak so that another hamper, like the hamper, is happening here. But to me, it has been an opportunity to learn more. When we were discussing this earlier, Rohini, you said, it's like them giving us an opportunity, and it's true because going forward in the new world, there is so much we have to learn. We are not our parents or our grandparents who were a hard no where the LGBT community was concerned, right? We have to learn to step out. We have to learn to, and I think this is a great platform that if they've said, hey, you can come and do this, the research involved, the conversations, like you were saying, to figure out, hey, what's cool to say, what's not cool to say, because we've grown up listening to all kinds of stuff. I think for me, it's the time to get on that stage, to have loads of fun with the community, to see that side of them, which is just like happy, bright, beautiful, to see all these films, and to be able to learn every step of the way with them, saying, hey, it's okay, wahan galti ho gayi, koi nahi, you can start. It's not like, oh, baap re, isne aise kaise bol diya. That almost never happens. They're a very understanding, beautiful community, and I want to be there. I want to be part of
Thank you.
this slice
Thank
of
you. So
history.
beautifully put. Yeah, especially आजकल के माहौल में तो भाई, you just have to say कि we are constantly learning only, because now what to do. So let's just do that. All right.
But it's true.
Aditi,
Honestly, I think I got it due to nepotism because
Ta ta ta.
I am
Crowd.
actually Karan Johar. I am Karan Johar, and they had to give it to me because
Mask
they
utaro.
were they were just like Aditi, you will bring your extensive chat show experience to the show. And I don't know. I'm grateful. I'm grateful, and thank you so much for having me. And thank you so much for having me on this live. And to share in the energy that Rohini you exude. Malishka you have, and Abish. It's just such an honor. It's such an honor, and thank you so much. That's all I got.
Hi,
I
हमें बहुत
want to
मजा
do
आया.
photo. I want to
Yeah, I hope someone's taking a picture. Okay, I'm taking a picture. Okay, everybody.
Okay.
I'm switching off comments. Yeah, for
You
a
must
second.
for a second.
Give us your best. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, very awkward with this.
Got it.
Hey, one
Thanks.
more with that face, please. There was no
One
face
more?
in this one.
Okay.
One more. Sorry. And that one.
Okay,
3,
wait.
2.
I guess in that case, just to represent.
3, 2, 1. We got it.
Hey, shout out
Amazing.
to Sridhar. Okay, he's been here throughout, and like half the time we wouldn't have done this show without him. I mean, him constantly being there in and around stage. I'm sure everyone has experienced it. Sridhar is like,
Yeah.
he's on till the show.
Sridhar and Vipin. Sridhar and Vipin Khanna are the two people that I want to thank from the bottom of my heart.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
so much.
all 3 of you, and we'll hope to see you back at Kashish. Take care of yourselves, and thank you for shining your light. Truly means a lot.
Thank you, Rohini, for being
Thank you,
this
Rohini.
person.
Thank you,
guys.
Kashish. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
I have to save the live now. Okay,
Yeah,
bye.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.